I once again welcome you to my YouTube classes. Now, in this session, we are going to discuss one of the important poems written by Ben Jonson called The Noble Nature. But before going to discuss about this poem, Noble Nature, I want to show you the picture of Ben Jonson. This is a picture of Ben Jonson. He was a great poet as well as writer. Okay. Now, we try to know something about his life and achievements. Ben Jonson was born in Westminster. He adopted the trade of his stepfather as the bricklayer, but this did not satisfy him and he became a soldier. From this he turned to acting and writing plays. He became a great English poet and playwright. He wrote poetry and drama. His best known plays are Wolfe in 1605, The Alchemist in 1610, and Bartholomew Fair in 1614. Okay, he was not only a poet, but he was also a great dramatist because he had written three well-known plays. Now, before going to discuss the actual poem called Noble Nature, we try to know the meaning of some new words. Okay, founder means one who starts an institute. Achievement means a great deed or work. Emphasize means lay stress on. Bulk means great size or greater part. Death means does. Bald means without leaves. Sear means dried up. And proportion means ratio, a part or a share of a whole. Now look at this bird. Look at this tree. How is it? It is very bulky. It is very big. Okay, and it is standing long. It is standing long. Okay. Now look at this picture. This is the picture of an oak tree. Oak tree lives for more than 300 years. Okay, now let me read the poem first paragraph. It is not growing like a tree, in bulk doth make man better be. For standing long an oak 300 years, to fall a log at last, dry, bald and sere. In the present poem, the poet takes examples of two things. One is oak tree and another is lily. Okay, oak tree lives for more than 300 years, whereas lily lives for a day. Okay, the poet here want to differentiate between the achievements made by the oak tree and the achievement made by the lily. Okay, in first paragraph, the poet discusses about the oak tree. He says that it is not growing like a tree. It is not important growing like a tree. Okay, this is an example of simile. Here the poet compares it is not good if you grow like a tree. In bulk means size. In bulk doth make man better be. If you increase in your size, if you become bigger in physically, then it would not help you. Then you will not be a perfect man. If your size increases, if your body size increases, then it is of no use. Or standing long an oak, or if you stand long an oak like a oak tree 300 years, for 300 years, if you live for 300 years, then it won't be any helpful to anybody. Okay, if you stand like a tall tree, it would not help you. To fall a log at last, if you stand like a oak tree, then what will happen to the oak tree? After 300 years, it is going to fall like a log. Log means the pieces of wood. Okay, you can see the picture here. These are the logs. Okay, like that oak tree will be cut down in future for only a log. It will die. Dry means without leaves. Bald means without leaves. Okay, sear means that has been burnt by the sun. Like that, oak tree will die, dry, bald and sear. It will going to become a dry, bald and sear, and it is only suitable to be the wood. Okay, firewood. It is only good to be a firewood, but it is of no use. Okay, whereas a lily of a day, the flower lily, if you see the picture, this is the picture of a lily. How is it? It is very beautiful. It is very beautiful and attractive. Okay, the poet says that a lily of a day, a lily, though it lives for only a day, doesn't live for 300 years, but it lives for only a day. Is fairer for in May. It is very beautiful. Fairer means beautiful in the month of May. In the month of May, lily looks very attractive, fascinating in the month of May. Although it fall and die that night, the lily dies on the same day it took birth. It took birth on the same day it will going to fall and die the very same night. It was the plant and flower of light. All each and everybody says that the lily was the plant. It is a plant and flower of light. Okay, everybody got cherished, or they become happy by looking at the flower. In small proportions, the lily in small parts, we just beauty see. We see the beauties of the lily in every part of it. And in short measures, in short measures, life may perfect be. Life will be perfect be. The life of lily will be the perfect. Because why will it be perfect? Because lily, though lived for a day and dies during the same night, it spreads the message of beauty. Okay, that's why the life of lily is more worthy than the life of the oak. Okay, this is the brief summary of the poem Noble Nature.